The city of Cartagena de Indias is located on the Caribbean coast of Colombia and has over 1 million inhabitants. The city was founded in 1533. Wars and pirate raids led to the expansion of fortifications and city walls, still well preserved until today. Entrance to the old town is the historic city gate Puerto del Reloj to the Plaza de los Coches, the square of the carriages, which are everywhere present in the old town. In order to get an overview, take a walk on the long fortress wall around the old town. The center of the old town belongs to the World Cultural Heritage of UNESCO and is a car-free zone. Wonderful are the many restored colorful colonial buildings. For this reason, the city is visited by many tourists. In the old town is the convento and iglesia of San Pedro Claver. The name patron is Petros Claver, a Spanish Jesuit from the 17th century who was almost 40 years dedicated to the rights and health of the slaves in Cartagena. A meeting point is the small park Plaza de Bolívar with the rider monument of this hero. Outside the old town is the Castillo de San Felipe de Barajas. This impressive castle was built in 1762 by Antonio de Arévalo. It was never conquered despite some attempts by pirates and competing European powers. Inside is a labyrinth of dark tunnel systems that can be visited. Above the town on a 150-meter high mountain, the Convento de la Popa can be visited. From there you have a fantastic view on Cartagena. There are different excursions offered for trips outside the city. One is a canoe trip through the mangroves of the small fishing village of La Boquilla in the north of Cartagena. Also, a frequent excursion destination is the snorkel tour to the Isla del Rosario, which is about 1 hour by speedboat from the center of Cartagena.
From the whole world arrives there to lift their containers.
No. Y también se come.
Sí, es muy bueno.
Sí.
Todo todavía.
Y también carne blanca.
Carne blanca, todo como la
Okay.
langosta. Preparada, yo le preparo aquí mismo.
Cartagena offers many possibilities to spend a nice evening. You can watch the sunset from the city wall and then go to the many restaurants and enjoy the extensive program of the many street artists. If you prefer to celebrate and do not want to sleep, you can dance in Cartagena until next morning.